What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is MadisonPayn and I'm a full-time blogger and Instagrammer, and now I'm a baby YouTuber. I'm putting out new videos every single day, so make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss anything. Today's video is going to be my first actual on this channel, more fashion-y video. Now, like I said, I'm a full-time blogger, and if you follow bloggers on Instagram, there's no way you have not seen the SPANX leggings. These things are absolutely everywhere. I feel like I'm pretty late to the party, but I ordered 3 different pairs. I ordered the cheetah print ones because I'm about to leave for Disney. So I ordered these, and then I ordered the leather leggings, which I feel like every photo I scroll past on Instagram is these leather leggings. I ordered regular black ones, which I have on now, and then I ordered what's supposed to be a dupe, an Amazon dupe that's much, much cheaper, of the plain black ones. So I'm going to try them all on and give you guys my honest opinion of them. It was really expensive. Full disclosure, I got my plain black ones on QVC on sale, and I got my leather ones and my animal print ones on 20% off on Black Friday. It was still so expensive that I said, if I'm not in love with these things, I'm sending them back. So I'm gonna try them all on and let you guys know what I think. It is 100% honest opinion because they were expensive as hell. If they aren't amazeballs, they're going back. Okay, so first up, I have on my plain black pair from QVC. Just so you guys have a little background, I am 5'2" and about a size 6. I ordered the medium. These in the waist are a little gappy. I wish these were a little tighter in the waist, but according to the SPANX website, I am a small in the waist and a medium in the rest of it, and I heard that they run really tight, so I absolutely love these. They are such a high quality legging. They're super thick. You could wear this just around your house, or you could put on a pair of heels and dress them up. I think these are worth every penny. Like I said, I got mine on QVC. They always have the best deals there. I also like how thick the band is. If you guys can see it, I don't know, because it's like the black is so dark, but the band is this thick, so it definitely keeps your tum-tum in. So next up, I have the faux leather ones that you see everywhere, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I hate these. Not only are they uncomfortable, they are so much tighter than the other pair, and I was really expecting for them to fit the same, but it must be that they're a different fabric. They are so uncomfortable. It is like hard to breathe in these things, and I also just don't think that they're very flattering. I feel like for me they make me look like a little shiny sausage, and I'm not sure why I would grab these over just my plain black leggings. Or the animal print ones I feel like are a little nicer, not to mention that these are $100 leggings. I'm gonna double check that and put that in the box below, but these are $100. Like, I just don't feel like this looks like $100 special. So these are 100% going back. These are also medium. All the leggings that I got from SPANX were a medium, and this is also a petite. Petite at SPANX they recommend for 5'6" and under to get. I'm 5'2", maybe 5'3" on a good day, and you can see that I do have a little bit left at the end, so if you were a few inches taller than me, the petite would work. But yeah, I mean, this is a big no from me. These are 100% going back. I honestly don't get what all the hype is about the leather ones. Okay, now these I absolutely love. I don't know how these are more comfortable because to me they seem like they're made out of the same material, but they're not as bad thickness wise. They have that nice thick band. The other one has it too. They're just like way too tight, but it has that tummy control band, and I feel like these look like $100. Like, these look like a more special legging. I'm not sure if you guys can even see it in the light, but here, let me get closer. Oh, I guess I could just show you this way. But the pattern is just so, oh, there we go. The pattern is just so pretty on it, and I feel like they just look a little nicer. Although I'm sure the plain black leggings, again, for my body type, are going to be the most slimming and the most flattering. I would grab these as a little something extra, put it with a pair of heels. I love these. These are a yes for me, and I'm definitely going to keep them. Okay, last but not least, I have my Amazon dupes. I actually still have the tag on them. Now, the SPANX ones that I showed you before, I got from QVC, and the price does kind of always change on QVC, but I want to say it's in the $50, $60 range. These Amazon ones were only $20. Y'all, these are amazing. They're not as tight as the other ones. I got a small in these, and I believe a short. Yes, I got a small and a short in these. They're super thick. Like if you bend over, is that weird? Like if you bend over, you're not gonna see anything. Like, you know how some people's leggings are like see-through? These are not see-through, they're thick, but they're not as tight as the SPANX ones. So I feel like I'm a lot more likely to grab these if I'm like working from home or if I'm just around the house. They're not like majorly sucking me in, whereas the other black ones I'm gonna keep because I really like them, and those are more, I feel like, something that I might wear out, where it's kind of like that tummy control band is reminding me to suck in. This one does have a band. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the band is this thick, whereas the SPANX one was about twice that. But I think this is an amazing quality legging. I cannot believe these are only $20. I'm definitely gonna go back on the website and order them. I will put all of the sizes that I got in all of the leggings and the links to them in the description box. Okay, that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you guys want more haul type videos or more fashiony videos, definitely comment below. In the meantime, follow me on Instagram at MadisonReedPayn. I have a blog of the same name and it's MadisonReedPayn.com. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. There's one more. Oh, and ring the bell. Until next time, guys. Bye!